This video I show you how to fix WhatsApp ad account loading problem. For fixing this problem, first of all check that you have a faster internet connection like 4G or Wi-Fi. Then go to settings, then go to search for WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp app if available any update. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, click on force stop, click on OK, click on storage and cache, clear cache. Now open WhatsApp. Now I hope that this method fixes WhatsApp loading problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.